have a very pretty undulating edge here, and just like for the beginning of a baby sweater or a blanket or a scarf or a jacket. So very, very pretty. I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for, and this is a multiple of 9. So I have 3 times 9 plus 8 for the last wave here, and then plus 2 for the edges. So I have 9 times 3 is 27, plus 8 is 35, plus 2 for the edges, 37. So let's get started. Okay, so I cast it on 28 stitches. So that's 9 times 2 is 18, plus 8 is 26, plus 2 is 28. And the first 4 rows you are going to knit. So regular knitting for 4 rows, and I will see you then. I already finished my 4 rows of knitting, which is a garter stitch, and I have them here. So I have this part here already made, this part here. So now I want to make 4 rows of straight stitch, which means I knit and purl back, knit and purl back. And that's what I'm going to be doing. So rows 5 is knit, row 6 is purl, row 7 is knit, row 8 is purl. And I will see you when I finish that. Once I have my 4 rows of garter stitch and the 4 rows of straight stitch, this is what we're going to be doing. So we are going to knit 1 for the edge, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means I have 9 here. So now what I want to do is that I want to bring my right hand needle, this one, toward the front, and I need to turn around my work. I am going to pick up the next stitch purlwise and bring it back. So I have it right here. It's going to go back to my left hand needle, and I'm knitting that one. So that's done. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's do that again. So my right hand needle is going toward the front and around to the back. I am picking up that stitch purlwise, and I'm bringing that stitch back through the back and to the front. So I have it right there. Put it on my left hand needle and knit it. And now I'm going to knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's my edge stitch. So that's it. On the way back I am going to purl, and this is very simple really, and it turns out so pretty. Once you finish your purl row, you can start with your normal stitch for whatever project you want to make, and that's it. That's the way it looks. Let me show you. See? Very, very pretty. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.